What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm here to show you guys how I make my rice water. This one is the recipe where I cook the rice and then I use the water as a deep conditioner for my daughter's hair. I have been experimenting this on her hair for a period of time now, for quite a while now. If you follow me on my Facebook page, you guys have definitely seen a post that I post there. I've been experimenting on her hair with this rice water. And some of you guys have asked me to show you guys how I make this. I also have another recipe that I use to soak the rice and then drain the water and use that as a leave-in conditioner, as a spray when it's time to style the hair. But this one is the one that I'm going to cook the rice. So this is the rice that I have been using for a while now. This is a new bag. The ones are finished. So I picked up a new bag. This is organic rice. I got it from my own organic store. I picked this rice for 3 or fucking 4 euros. You guys can see it's organic rice. Because I cook the rice and I thought, you know what, let me try organic rice instead of all this rice that I'm picking up from the store. Because the one I used to use is the one that I used to cook with. But this one, the one I have been using on her own hair, is the one I pick up from the organic store. So this is the rice that I'm going to use. And these are all the stuff that you need. You need rice. If you like, you can use organic or you can use any rice of your choice. You need a pot to cook the rice. You need a cup for measurement. And you need a bottle to store the rice water after boiling, and you need a cup and something to drain the water. So this is everything I need. So now we're going to take 2 cups of the rice and 2 cups of rice, and I'm going to cook that one and I'm going to put it in here. So let me show you guys how I measure the rice. So first I'm just going to take a scissors and I'm going to cut the rice open the bag. So if you want, after using the rice water, you can throw the rice away. But I do not throw it away. I use it to make rice pap. I let it boil extra and then I add some sugar. I make rice pap and it's very delicious. The kids love it as well. So this is how I measure the rice. 1 cup. I'm just gonna clear all this one. And I have been using this on her hair for a period of time now, and it has been really working good for her. So I post that video, pictures on my Facebook, and you guys had a lot of questions. So I thought, you know what, let me come and show you guys how I make this. If you guys are not following me on my Facebook page, please do so. I don't use this every day on her hair. It's almost time for me to wash. I do this, I think, once a week or twice a week. It depends on the hairstyle that she's having. Once a week, sometimes twice a week. But if the hair is on a protective hairstyle, I do it once a week. So this is the 2 cups. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash the rice a little bit just to get rid of that first dirt out. I'm just going to wash the rice. I don't know how you guys wash. When I wash the rice, I really like to this is how I wash my rice. But this rice is not like that dirty, so you guys can see the water still look pretty clean. But I still like to rinse it a little bit. So after rinsing it, as you guys can see, this is the water that I have in the pan. Now I'm just going to put the stove on and then put the rice on the fire, let it cook. So now we're just going to let the rice cook. We're just going to leave it to cook and I'm gonna leave it to boil for a while, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I drain it and how everything looks. So please stay tuned. So guys, the rice is cooked, and this is how I like the water. It's not that super thick, but it's okay like this. So now I'm going to drain the water. I'm going to put it into this cup and use this shifter to drain it so that the rice doesn't go in just the water. So that is what I'm about to do right now. But I love the way the rice is looking right now. I love the texture. I love how everything is. So let's drain this bad boy. Put the gas off first. So now I'm just going to drain the water off. It's pretty hot. I'm just going to turn all the rice into the pan. You can still go ahead and finish cooking this rice and use it, because it's not like, the rice is not like super soft. It's still a little bit hard, so you can still go ahead and cook it and finish it and then make something nice out of it. You can make some nasi, something nice, some stew. But I'm going to make rice pap, or maybe I'm going to make something nice with it as well. But I really love the rice. It is very sweet, and I love it. You know, you can really taste the difference when you cook organic rice than the rice you just buy from the store when you make it. There's way big difference, and I really love this rice. It's so nice. So now, after draining all the water, this water is pretty hot to put on the kids' hair at the moment. It's pretty hot. So the water is drained, everything is drained. So now, what you can do, you can either leave it to cool down in this container for a little bit and then pour it into the bottle. But because I am not going to be doing the kids' hair right now at this moment, because I'm first going to leave it to cool down in the container, because I'm going to pour it into a spray bottle later. But because the spray bottle is plastic, so it is pretty hot, so I normally like to put it here in this container and then leave it, and then the next day I use it on her hair. That is what I normally do. So you guys can see the water is pretty thick, really nice. So now I'm just going to pour the water into this container, and only for her, this is pretty good. It's good enough. It's good enough. Sometimes I even use this and it even remains, because what I do is I wash the hair. Like today in the evening, I will wash the hair, but I will wash the hair, and I will use shampoo to get rid of any dirt, and then I will use a conditioner to detangle. And then what I will do after using the conditioner, I will rinse it out. I will put the hair into a twist, leave it like that till the next day, and then the next day I will do a deep conditioner. That is how I do the hair all the time. The next day I will do a deep conditioner, and then she will have the deep conditioner on for at least as long as she wants. Because sometimes there are times that she have it on for like an hour, sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes 2 hours. It all depends on her mood, because she's still very young. She's just 2 years old, and all depend on her mood and what if she's playing. Sometimes after 30 minutes or 40 minutes, she'll be like, I want to wash my hair off, and then I'll wash it off, and then I will style the hair, and then I will repeat the same process another time. Sometimes once a week, sometimes twice a week. Sometimes I do it only every other week. It all depends on the protective hairstyle that I have on her head. So yeah, guys, this is how you make your rice water. This is cooked. The rice water, you can boil your rice, or what you can do, you can find a container like this one and soak the rice. Leave it for at least 24 hours. Leave it to stand for 24 hours, and you can use that water to do a deep conditioner. But I love when I cook the rice. When I cook it, I love the result that I got. And her hair is very, very beautiful. Her hair is very, very healthy. I really love the way the hair is looking right now. And I really want to grow her hair out because she does not really have my type of hair. Her hair type is like 4A, 4B, I think so. Not 4C, because she have more very, not like curly, not kinky as mine. So I really love the way the rice water is working on her hair. So guys, this is how you make your rice water. If you want, you can add peppermint or tea tree oil into it, but I'm not using anything. I was just purely experimenting on the rice water. That's it. So guys, this is it, and I will show you guys on the next video on how I apply this into her hair. I don't know how I'm gonna pull that video off because she's 2 years old and she does not like to touch. She does not like me to touch the hair. It's a struggle to do the hair. So we're gonna see how I'm going to see how I'm going to get her in front of the camera to do the hair. Wish me good luck, and I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Peace out. Bye.